guys, it's me, Larry the Whale, here for episode 12 of Robocraft. This is the Specter, my new helicopter bot. It's tier 7, as you see there at the bottom where there's all the tiers and stuff. On the edge of tier 7, I was just now trying to place a radar jammer here. Brings it straight into tier 8. Sadly, it is actually doing really well in all the battles I play with it. And I really like how it looks, so that's good. It has 6 tier 6 electroplates, just absolutely crazy. Guarding, like, everything. So these, like, side pieces never get shot off. It's crazy. It can become an SMG if I wanted it to. But, I don't know, I just like helicopters with plasmas more. And I don't know why, I just like this cockpit design. I just do. So, without further ado, let's get into a battle. This thing, as I mentioned, is actually doing a lot better than I thought in battles. Looks cool and functions well. So that's always a plus. It cost me like all of my blocks and I had to buy some new ones. And if you've seen my episode 10 or 11, this has more blocks than the tank I made. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. I guess just gonna have to wait for battle. This is taking a bit longer than usual. I wonder why. Well, that's good. Someone finally got into tier 2. The strange face typo. There we go. Finally. Robo Stomper. Okay then. I'm just the Specter. Nothing else. Just Specter. I have no idea why I chose Specter. Just did. Thought it sounded cool, I guess. Comment in the on the video if you think there's any like better names. Another one I was thinking of was Spirit. So if you think, just in the comments tell me if you'd rather have Spirit or Specter, or if you think you have a good name for it. Just post it in the comment. So yeah. This is your Tales Lord of Medic. Who's that guy that's talking about? Lord Death Lord. Where is that guy? Huh, no idea where he is. Maybe he hasn't like spawned in yet. No, I think he has. Okay, let's do this. Fire over there. Hello, my friend. You chat. It almost hit me and blocked the thing from hitting that. And that's never good. I like instead of a bomber, like helicopters can just hover over these things, but sadly I don't like having to look at it because this one portion you see on the back, that really big part, it just looks a bit ugly in my opinion. I would like put stuff there, like more blocks, but like not enough CPU stuff, or not CPU, blocks and stuff, or not CPU or blocks. I can't speak today. Not enough. Hey, stop that rail. That's not nice of you. Not enough, like, I would just go into tier 8, so. And a bit not enough blocks, like, I think, I don't know. Too many blocks might bring me up to tier. Anyways. Okay, wow, this thing healed quickly. I, remember in the patch notes, not like, for one of these like hot fixes, that now tank tracks and rotor blades heal much quicker now, like much quicker than everything else. Hey, stop, nope. Boop. And he's dead. Let's see. Stop shooting at me. No, I have no guns. Spot everything. Well, I can't control myself. I'll just do this. Haha, no one gets the kill. It's a bit of a mean move, but I guess that wasn't the reason I did it. I wasn't trying to be mean, I guess. Just trying to get back. But still, I don't know. Anyways, let's fly. Flying very high. When I first saw that they were adding helicopters, I thought that they wouldn't be able to like fly that high, and definitely not fly as high as like planes, bombers and stuff. I'll get you. Really weakly armored rail. I'll get you. There we go. Now you. Or you. Aha! I killed him at the same time as the other guy killed me. I see so many of these heavily armored tank bots with plasmas. I don't know why. I just get shot down by plasmas a lot more than SMGs. I guess I do still very God, what am I trying to say? Stay very still with this bot sometimes. I definitely know how to speak. Definitely. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Okay, why are you shooting at that? You already own it. God. There's a guy under it. That's why. And, yeah. Nice good hit on him. Another very nice hit. Woo! I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh, you kill stealer. You kill stealer. Very, very evil. There we go. Hey, stop that, you. Oh, okay. He died very fast. Wow. We might win this very fast. Wait, let's see. What's that guy like? Is he like covered in red? Like, is that wolf cubes or tier 8 cubes? Aw, come on. Hit that very nicely. Is there a guy up there? Why are you shooting up there? Maybe it's just like a shot that they missed. Oh, is that the sting beetle? Yeah, tier 7 sting beetle. I made one of those, but I had to destroy it to create the tank that I showed in episode 10 and 12 and 10 and 11. This is episode 12. What am I thinking? Okay, I'm at 99%. That's good. So, Lord Deathlord, can I have 1%? Definitely need it to fly. It's not like I don't or anything. Oh, it's actually an electric plate. Woo! GG. Wow. I'm glad a lot of people are saying GG. It's weird how wouldn't happen a lot in the old game mode, but I guess teamwork is used a lot more in these, which is always a great thing. Got a nice amount of money from that. And just like I usually do, I'm gonna buy a bunch of blocks. Buy a bunch of blocks, 3Bs. Okay, I'm gonna get, no, these. Yeah, the cubes. And then spend the rest on these. Okay, sweet. One sec, I just need to see something. Can I, like, do this? None of those left? Of course. Take these off. That's better to look at, I guess. And put this there. Doesn't bring me into tier 8, which is, of course, necessary. That's better to look at, I guess. Now, could I... Whoa. It's a cool thing in the chat. And nothing left. Yeah, I can't do that. I guess. Nope, okay. Nothing. I'm gonna sell a tiny bit of this stuff. And to buy these two. Yeah. Okay. It's probably useless. Just purely aesthetic purposes. But anyways, let's go into battle. Just lol. Just so much lol. I have to buy thrusters, but I didn't see it. I guess they're not that hard to find in an attack tree. They're in the movement, right? I honestly forgot. I have no idea. I think they're probably in the movement. Like, close to the movement, at least. Little Killer is a medic, and Tank Squid on the other team. Interesting names, always. Oh, yay! I don't know why I'm so happy about this, but there's a guy named Mr. Waffles. It's pretty amazing, I guess. His username is Iron Waffles, so that's a thing. Hello, Mr. Iron Waffles. How are you doing today? Definitely tried to miss. No, I did. No. Don't quote me on that. Just don't do it. Okay, let's get this thing. I'm gonna try to go close to the ground because I feel like there's gonna be pesky rail snipers. Yeah. Have to turn back to get the full power of all of my plasmas. Whoa, I thought I saw an enemy or something. Oh, I'm pressing back instead of forward. There. Gosh darn it, I have to move back a bit. This is a bit hard. But I'll get all this. Plasmas are really good at taking out these things, like all the protonium and such. Oh, that part looks like it's weak. I want to take that out. Yeah, disconnect it, and if I disconnect it from this. I knew I was in danger. Medic, help. Where it's get what? Oh, I saw a guy. Get away from me. I'm just trying to kill this guy. Yeah. Get out of here. Teammates, save me. And I got the kill. Which is always a plus. I was a bit high. There we go. Nope. Nope. No hit. Thank you, medic. Always much appreciated. Interceptor spotted. They still count as interceptors. They're a helicopter. I thought they were just SMG copters. Huh. Much appreciated, medic. Stop it, interceptor. Stop it. No. Stop. Stop it. No. Just trying to blow up all your stuff and kill you. Oh no, I'm flipped. It's not good. I'm in a dogfight. There we go. Woo! What happened to your wings? Shot down by a plasma? You gonna shoot at me? You are. You're gonna shoot at me. Interceptor spotted. Someone's saying something in the chat. Your bottom fusion tower Don't know what language it's in. I really want this kill. Come on. I deserve this kill. I'm the one that shot him down. Just give me this kill. Aw, come on. Don't go back in. Aw, I'm getting this kill. I'm getting it. It's just happening. Get out of here. Get out of my house. Even though I'm the one in his house, but... Well, I just hunted down a guy. That was clearly my kill, and sadly I didn't get the kill. But anyways, yeah. Let's fly. Well, now, that was clearly a mess. Shoot this guy down.
SMG Walker spotted.
Ah. Oh god, I'm going down. Hey medic, can I borrow some heals?
Interceptor spotted.
Yeah, medic. Medic. Please? Medic? Did the medic die? Did the medic, like, just get one hit when I was just not looking? Huh. That's rather strange. Ah. I'm sort of useless if I can't fly. I can't get any of that, so I'll respawn. Okay, and respawn.
Your team has captured the Walker.
There we go. Insta respawn.
Generator activated.
Now we just need one more, and we'll be good. We might just beat them.
Interceptor spotted.
Yes, this guy. I must kill him. Get revenge. Aha. There we go. Kill that guy again. Oh no! No! He took out both of my rotors in one hit. Medic. Could I, right here. Medic. Yes, thank you, medic. Yes.
Interceptor spotted.
Nope, Michael. Oh, gosh. So many kill steals in this one game.
Your left fusion tower is under attack.
I really want to kill this guy. Stop it! No! Oh, right. I can't fire into that. That's always bad. This game is not going well. Usually goes a lot better than this. As you can see, I have some purple blocks. Some tier 9 ones inside. Guess that's a good bot design. Huh. Healer healing the healer. That's always a great thing to see. And you can have a medic just train with a medic healing the medic who's healing someone else. Okay, let's see.
Rail Walker spotted.
That was... Oh, I thought that was horrible.
Interceptor spotted.
And... yeah. You're a tiny bit on the outside.
Your left fusion tower
All
is
alignment
under
rectify
attack.
towards you.
Interceptor spotted.
No. It's this guy, this Cube 333 guy. very annoying. I guess he just has a good design. Or I'm just really bad at playing this game. But this like bot has been really good in a lot of other battles. I'm confused. Well. Let's see. You gonna be here? And there we go. Who has the upper hand now?
Your left fusion tower is under attack. Rail water
Stop. I'm just trying to kill your friends, okay? God. What's wrong with me murdering everything you love? God. Yes. No. This is my kill. This is my kill. You're gonna give me this kill.
interceptor spotted.
One kill. No!
Walker spotted.
Oh, God. Okay, and our team looks like it will destroy it. What are you doing over here, medic? What? Okay, let's fly. That was a quick respawn time. I thought it had, thought it would take a bit longer at least.
Spotted.
And where is that rail hover, or whatever they said? Rail hovers just don't seem to go together because they just like slide around all the time. Whoa.
SMG hover spotted.
Oh, it was an SMG hover. I should really be attacking the Protonium right now, but I can't resist this. Oh, come on. You're not going to take this kill from me. Yeah.
Rail walker spotted.
You're not going to get away from me. Attack the Protonium. Oh no. He's back for revenge.
SMG hover spotted.
Yeah. And, that's a strange design, I guess. Where are the hovers? Oh, yes, one at the front. Okay, so I was wondering. I thought all of them were in the back, so. Iron Waffles, the weird tank. Made all tier 9 blocks. Impressive. And tier 7 too. Okay, now I'm gonna try to stick with my team, attack the Protonium, unless that helicopter guy comes, because then, yeah, I'm just gonna murder him. Okay, well, killed that guy.
SMG hover spotted.
And did some more damage. Ah! Boop.
The enemy plutonium crystal is nearly destroyed.
Indeed it is.
Your left fusion tower is under attack.
Ah, close. Oh no, don't, no. Ah. Well, anyways, GG. And that will be the end of this episode. It is like 24 minutes long, so yeah. If you liked the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Feedback is much appreciated, and also remember, comment in the comment section, of course. whether you want it to be the name of this bot to be Spirit or Specter. So yeah, stay tuned for more Robocraft coming out very soon.